Philippines? We are in Philippines.
Yes.
Philippines are watching us. We are in. We are in the Philippines now for 4.6.
Oh my God.
Philippines are. No!
Sila guys, panalo niyo sila. Sige natin.
Philippines are watching. We are. Almost 5 colors.
Let them win.
I've never seen this before.
I want to see them win. I want to make them win.
5K. Ano ba nag-shoot sa mga kain? Coke. 5K. Coke. Family 5K, people watching. People watching us. We are in the Philippines now. Baby, no more.
Yay, thank you. Look at them. Wow, you're so strong. One more, last one, okay?
Let's go. You're our blessing.
Win sila ulit. Jessie G, thank you so much. May, thank you.
That was a future
Kyle G, thank you.
Future City. I've never seen it before.
Oh my God.
Amazing.
We've never seen it before
We are now in
though.
Philippines.
Oh my God.
Ayoko na.
We are now in Philippines.
Oh my God.
Star.
You are now famous.
Oh my God. 5.4. Jessica.
Ano, bawal ka na din.
Sige.
Let's go! Saya-saya ako! No, not behind me. You're not allowed. Axel, tago ka please.
Family, this is like a dream. Oh my God. I can't believe this is happening. Someone's like me here. If I'm dreaming, I will go. No, I'm gonna cry. Sorry mo na hindi ako normal. Why? What a surprise.
You're winning! You're winning! Hey! God sisters are winning!
Yes! We are now in the Philippines. We are now in Philippines. Jessica!
200 hearts, guys. Give them 200 hearts.
Oh my God! 5 points now. Brazil! Yes!
Ganyan din yung reaction ko sa mga gig.
Brittany! It's happening! Rocket! Kylie's so sweet! Oh my God, Kylie's so sweet! Yes, she's so sweet! I feel like got everything I need. Now bring on a cause I'm sick.
You got a firework! Let's go!
Contagious. We are now shining. We are now shining with the stars. Cha-cha! Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Ah! Family. Amazing. Unbelievable. Family, hope this day comes back again. Ah! Actress. Yes, she's with us.
No, this is not me. This is my family.
It is all because of you. You're our blessing. Zai. Oh my god. You're so amazing. Thank you so much.
Guys, panalo na sila.
Carrying grab. Thank you so much.
Top finger tapping.
She's so sweet. Everybody, thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is amazing. This is so beautiful. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. Heidi. Jenny. A beautiful day. Pause the music.
Thank you, Jean. Thank you, Mitch Malinaw. Thank you. Zedric comes with lovely. Thank you. I have to go now. I have to go see my friends.
Before you go, Kylie.
Yes, thank you so much, Blood Sisters. We can paddle again another day. Yes?
Before you go, I want to tell you something.
Okay.
Thank you so very much.
Yes, thank you. You guys
don't
made
make
me.
you happy as you just made us happy.
Yes, you made me very happy. You sang Sunshine.
You are our sunshine, our only sunshine. You make us happy when skies are gray. You never notice how much we love you. Please don't take our sunshine away. Thank you so much for the
Thank you. Bye.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
Okay, love you.
Ang saya-saya. Guys, nakita niyo yung reaction nila? Kahit maliit lang yung gift. Woo! My heart.
Ew, dirty ng parts mo. Ew.
Dapat yan ang lahat. Iba talaga pag na-appreciate. So, wow. Amazing.
The